Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to cancel a reservation as a host on Airbnb platform. So the first thing to do is to go to your browser, either it was Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Microsoft Edge or any browser, and then you will need to go to airbnb.com. So after you click on it, you will be taken or redirected to the Airbnb website, and then you will need to create an account. So basically you will need just to click on this icon here at the corner. You click on it, and of course you are going to click on sign up, and after that you can either sign up with your phone number, or you can sign up with these alternative accounts, either Facebook, Google, Apple accounts, or your email. So basically I'm just going to continue with my Google account, and then I'm just going to choose this account and I'm going to log in. So basically when you are going to create your account, all you need to do is to log in into your account and then just follow these simple steps. So now after that you have logged into your Airbnb account, you will need to switch to the hosting. So we are going to click on host, or you can also just click on your profile and you will find here manage listings. So basically here you will find the currently hosting, etc., and you will find independent review or the upcoming. You will find the request that you are having now, and then you can decline or cancel these requests if you don't want to. But make sure that your listing doesn't have the instant book on, so you can cancel, and so you can confirm or cancel the request of the reservation. So basically all you need to do is to turn off your instant book, and you will have the ability to cancel and confirm your reservation. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.